What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. For many of you that don't know, I got in a car accident the other day in the CRV, and some people will say it's totaled, but we're gonna go ahead and revive her. The frame is pretty bent, but yeah, we're gonna bring her back to life. Driver ran a red light in a Kia and was speeding, and I tried to avoid it, tried to swerve over to the right, and yeah, didn't really work. I ended up clipping barely the rear quarter panel, and his car was way totaled all around. It ended up hitting a pole, flipping around, and landing in a parking lot, even though the accident happened in the intersection. So yeah, so we're gonna revive it. That's what this video is gonna be about. Well, this video is just gonna be the intro of, you know, what we're doing here. I'm gonna start taking all the body panels off now. Just had to get it on video before I start taking everything apart, but I already got a whole new front end. It's in the garage. I'll go show you guys right now. But yeah, so today's agenda is just take it all apart. Don't really have much time today, so I figured the least I can do is get it all stripped apart, and then we can figure out where we're gonna cut at, and then where we're gonna weld up the new front clip. So yeah. Hey baby. Yeah. Hey baby. Hey YouTube. All right, so we're gonna get to it, guys. Peace. Say peace. Say fist bump. Say fist bump. Yeah. Yo, what's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got some crazy rigged up shit going on right now, but it should work out fine. Well, you want to say hi? Daddy. Yeah, I know. Hi YouTube. Hi YouTube. Hi. All right, so we're gonna get started right now. We rigged up this 1,200 pound winch straight to the side of the truck. I know it's really rigged and it's way overkill for this little thin layered unibody. But we got it all rigged up right here. We got the truck here sideways. I figured that'd be the best way to get it versus front or back. Plus, I don't have any mounts in the front or back of the truck. No hitch or anything to like actually put it to. So, I mean, fuck, what works, right? So that's what we got going. Don't mind the way it's cut. It's gonna go ahead and be welded all back professionally. We have our winch puller over here on this side, just strapped up to the back of the SI, and it's tight. We just wrapped it around the LCA, and yeah, so that's holding the truck this way just in case. It doesn't look like this is that strong though, so it should be fairly easy to move over some, but as you can see, we got quite a bit to go. So we just really need this part right here to be basically right here. If we can get that to happen right there, then this rest of this mangled shit doesn't matter, because it's gonna get cut like probably like about right here, and I have frame to replace that, which is like not really the way to do it, but it's the way to do it in my opinion. Like, it satisfies me at least, and I feel like it's gonna be strong. We're gonna reinforce it from the outside with new metal, and I'm gonna layer the inside. I'm gonna take the engine out. We're gonna end up tucking the bay and shaving the bay like I did my Sentra. So all this is gonna get reinforced with new sheets of metal anyways. So it's gonna basically be like new layers over the outside. So it's gonna be strong. Believe me, it's gonna be strong. It's not gonna be a big deal. Got new torque mounts coming in, billet torque mounts, got new billet motor mounts coming, and a lot of stuff coming for this. Get it back on the road. Got a camber kit coming, try to camber the wheels, but yeah, that's what we got going right now. So just wanted to give you guys an update before we start pulling. I'm gonna set the tripod up right now, and we're gonna get going. All right, peace. So today's day 2. Just want to do a quick update. Yesterday we did the frame pull, and as you can see here, the frame is nice and straight. Went ahead and cut it so we can weld the new front on. Yeah, we put the body panels on already. I was just going through and aligning everything, make sure everything fits, bolting it down, putting the new hood on, and so now we know when we put the new front, it should align with these holes here and this hole over here, and then I'll be able to put the bolt in. We're gonna have support holding it on both sides, and then I'm gonna go ahead and tack weld it up. That pretty much wraps up this video. Yeah, I got a haircut from then and now, so let me show you the car. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen it already. I already posted it on there, but here it is. I just washed her. Just washed it. Not bad. Whole front's replaced, welded on. Not bad. So if you like what we do here, if you like how quick we did this job, I think it was almost 2 days, so like 16 hours or something like that. If you like how quick we did the job, like it, leave a comment in the video. Maybe let me know what I could have did better. Let me know what you would have done. If you didn't like it, fuck off, or leave a dislike. I don't really care. Have a good one. Peace.